Hey guys, today I'm gonna show a problem with the VMware workstation. So if you try to start this station, it gives this following error. So to fix this, first you have to restart your computer. Let me just restart it. I'm just gonna touch it. Oh, come on. So I'm gonna restart the computer. So while it's restarting, just go to BIOS setting. You can press F10. It depends on what kind of brand you have. So for now, I'm just gonna press the skip button. You see this BIOS setup. It says F10. Then I'm gonna hit F10 on my laptop. So once you go there, I'm just gonna go to system configuration, and on system configuration you can see this virtualization technology. Right now it is disabled. Just make sure you enable it. See, now it's enabled. Now I think that's it. All you have to do is like press F10 to save and exit. F10. It's gonna exit saving changes, and just do yes, enter. Let's see now. So back again, I restarted my computer. I'm just gonna go here. Where's VMware virtual machine? Yeah, virtual machine. This startup. Never mind. Just go here. Go to Windows 10. It's selected. Just to start. It's loading. It's load. No timeout. So guys, once you restart your computer, just open virtual machine. Just open your Windows. Just go to press. It's gonna ask you guys just boot from any Dixers. Right. So once you restart the computer, just go to virtual machine and run your thing. It's gonna run. It's gonna just press the key. See, now it's starting. That was simple. Just go to BIOS and enable the virtualization setting, and that's it.